I asked AI to build a Play Store clone. What I got was a beautiful skeleton. No apps, no functionality, just vibes. So I did what any vibe coder does. I switched models, rewrote the prompt, and let Claude Opus 4.6 actually finish the job. It started with a simple prompt. Create a Play Store clone with a different name. Gemini 3.5 Flash drafted the architecture, glass-morphic dark UI, hero carousel, app discovery, interactive modals, review system, and a library dashboard. Clean, structured, ready to build, but plans don't run code. So I told the next model to start generating. Version 1 dropped. Visually, not bad. Dark theme, purple accents that premium glow. Functionally, the sidebar didn't switch views. There were 0 real apps, no install logic, no modals, no state management. It was a UI mock-up pretending to be an app. Classic vibe coding trap. Looks polished, does absolutely nothing. So I stopped the server, switched to Claude Opus 4.6, and gave it one directive. Create a better full version with all apps and features. Work efficiently. Don't need all my tokens. Notice the prompt structure? I specified parallel file rewriting, full feature parity, and token efficiency. Claude didn't just generate, it planned, then executed. Version 2, completely different. Sidebar actually switches categories. Hero carousel auto-rotates. Click an app, full detail modal opens with ratings, screenshots, and an install button that simulates download progress. Uninstall works. Reviews persistent session. Wishlist toggles. Library shows installed apps with update buttons. It's responsive. It's interactive. It's actually usable. And it didn't burn through my token limit. So what's the takeaway? Vibe coding isn't prompt and pray. It's iterative. Planning. Fast model Gemini 3.5 for architecture and file structure. V1, mid-tier model Gemini 3.1 Pro to expose gaps in logic and state. V2, reasoning-heavy model Claude Opus 4.6 for efficient, parallel rewriting and full-feature implementation. The prompt matters. The model matters. The iteration matters. If you're experimenting with AI coding workflows, drop your model stack in the comments. And if you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing. I drop weekly vibe coding experiments, AI dev workflows, and no fluff tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Now, go build something that actually works.